In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a webhook on make.com. This is a powerful tool for automating a variety of actions based on real-time data inputs. Stay with me as we go through each step, ensuring you can effectively set up and utilize a webhook for your automation needs. First, we'll start by opening make.com. You'll need an account, so if you don't have one yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the option to create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a workspace where you'll design and run your automation. Click on the option to start a new scenario, and you'll be ready to dive deeper into the process. The next step is to add a webhook module to your scenario. Click on the plus button you see in the interface. This is where you'll search for specific modules. Enter the term webhooks in the search bar. From the results, select Custom Webhook. This choice will allow you to tailor the webhook to meet the specific requirements of your project. Now that we have our custom webhook module, it's time to create the webhook itself. Click on Add, and you'll be prompted to name your webhook. Providing a clear, descriptive name will help you keep everything organized, especially if you plan to manage multiple webhooks. For this example, let's name it Website Lead Form, but feel free to choose something that best reflects your purpose. Once named, click Save to secure your progress. With the webhook created, make.com generates a unique webhook URL for your use. You'll see something like https://hook.us1.make.com/xxxx. This URL is crucial because it's the endpoint that will receive the data you want to process. Carefully copy this URL. It's what you'll use in the subsequent steps. Now that we have the URL, let's test sending some data to it. There are several methods you can employ to send this data. You can use website forms or applications like Postman. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with coding, you might use JavaScript, Go High Level, or APIs. Other platforms like Shopify or Telegram bots can also work. For this demonstration, let's consider a basic JSON example, such as my post said the name, John, email, john@gmail.com. The structure of your data should fit your specific needs. Before we proceed, it's important to run your scenario at least once to test everything out. Click on the Run Once button within the make.com interface. What this does is initiate a listening mode for the webhook. Now, when you send that test data over to your webhook's URL, the system will automatically capture the data structure. This step is crucial in confirming your setup can correctly process and understand incoming data. And there you have it. You've now learned how to set up and utilize a webhook on make.com. With these steps, you're all set to automate processes and manage incoming data in real time. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this guide